Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by registering the application and obtaining credentials. Use the client ID and secret right away. Next, assign only the permissions you need and request admin consent when calls require higher scope. Then, initiate the OAuth 2. Zero code grant. Direct the user to sign in, capture the authorization code, and exchange it for access and refresh tokens. This gives you a short-lived token to call endpoints and a refresh token to keep sessions alive without re-authenticating. Once you have a token, build the request URL and pick the HTTP method that matches the operation. Make sure you set authorization to bearer plus the access token and include accept and content type headers. This prevents format errors. Then, add query options like $select and $expand to limit payloads and handle at OData. Next, link for pagination. For many operations, group them into a batch call to reduce round trips. Also, check response status codes and parse JSON bodies to confirm success. You finish by validating responses and updating state. Inspect HTTP status codes and the JSON error object to determine corrective action. If the access token is near expiry, use the refresh token to get a new one before calls fail, and retry idempotent requests when transient network or 429 errors occur. Make sure to log requests and responses securely for debugging, and implement exponential backoff to respect throttling limits. If things still fail, examine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.